Welcome to this video. Today I hope to bring about KY025 reed switch module and how it work without Arduino and doing a simple project.
This module provides an analog as well as digital interface. As you can see on the board, it has a potentiometer or trimmer used as a pull-up resistor. Reed switch module has onboard LED indicator built in as indicator that the reed switch detected a magnet close to the switch. This is just a simple circuit to produce a switching mechanism using electromagnetism. Okay, we will start our simple project now. Therefore, placing components to breadboard. You can use analog pin and digital pin as you need using a relay switch. Then you can use 230 volts electricity. For example, when you open door, ring the bell, or turning on light.